Let's create this cat eye chrome nails together. So our nails is nicely prepped, and then we're going to be adding base coats, and then this is how it's looking after curing for 60 seconds. And then we're going to be adding our base color, which is this red. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys along the video why I'm adding red at the bottom. So we're going to be using white to cover the red. This gel polish is actually a chalk white, a milky white, sorry, a milky white gel polish. Okay, yeah. So guys, I actually wanted the white to cover the red, and this milky white was not giving me that, so I decided to change it to use this chalk white. Yeah, so always go with what is best for your design. Okay, so I ended up using this chalk white gel polish to cover the red. We apply it, and then we cure for 60 seconds, and we dive over to the next step. So guys, we did the rest off camera, and this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds. And then we're going to be applying our cat eye gel polish. Guys, I've given you guys tutorials of how to do cat eye. So just for the sake of the first timer, okay, so I'm going to be giving you guys a bit details of how to apply your cat eye. So basically, once you apply your cat eye gel, then you use your magnet to pop it out, just the way I'm doing it on the video. Guys, because this is silver color, I don't know if you're actually seeing what I'm doing clearly, because cameras is not actually doing justice to this video. Okay, so just go check my playlist, okay, and then find our previous videos of how to apply your cat eye gel, okay, and then you get the full details of how to apply your cat eye gel. So we're going to do that for the rest of the fingers, and then we'll dive over to the next step. So we did the other hands off camera, and this is what it is giving us. And guys, this is the reason why I said we applied red as the base. As you can see how it's looking, the base is looking beautiful. Okay, that was the purpose of applying red before going to the main details of today's video. Okay, yeah, and it's actually giving at the end of the day. You can actually rock your nails this way, but for this chrome isolation, we're going to be applying our matte gel, which is what I am doing now. We'll apply your matte gel polish, okay, and then you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. And this is what it should be looking like after curing it for 60 seconds. Okay, so you can apply your chrome powder. Yeah, so what we are going to do, we are going to be mixing our black gel polish, okay, together with our art gel, so that your chrome isolation can get pigmented very well. You mix it thoroughly and then you use your brush to apply it only on the place you want your chrome to appear, okay. You apply your mixed gel only on the place you want your chrome to stay, okay, only on the place you want your chrome design to be on. And guys, don't forget to cure, okay. As soon as you apply, you are going to cure before applying your chrome, okay. So this is the chrome powder we're going to be using. You know, it's actually a sharp gold. This is actually the first time I'm using this particular one. On Unlike the other one I've been using, the other one I've been using is actually a bit darker than this, okay. But I want it to, pop out very well. That's why I chose to use this particular shade of chrome. So like I said, you apply your chrome on your, design, your 3D design, okay. Yeah. And guys, the purpose of applying your matte, okay, if you don't have matte, like I used to say in my previous chrome or my previous chrome videos, if you don't have, matte gel, you can actually apply your top coat and then you puff thoroughly and it will still give you the same result, okay. You can check my playlist to find the videos of how to apply chrome. I've given you guys detailed tutorial videos of how to apply chrome, okay, on this channel, okay. So yeah, just apply your chrome with one side of the brush, okay, and I use the other side of the brush to smoothen it, just the way I'm doing it on the video. I use one side to apply and then use the other side to smoothen, to make it shine and pop out very well. And then you dust off, and then we're going to dive over to the next step, which is applying our top coat, because that is basically all we did on today's tutorial, okay. So guys, I forgot to mention this part, okay? I actually decided to add these charms, star charms on this particular hand, just to pop the design out a little bit, okay? So I'm using my rhinestone glue to glue the charm down. Apply your charm and then you're going to cut for 60 seconds, and then yeah, that is basically all we did for today's tutorial. As you can see, I'm using my rhinestone glue, yeah, to glue it, and then I put my charm on top of the glue so that it's not going to fall off as you are rocking your nails, okay? And that is basically it, guys. We're going to be adding our top coat. Guys, you can see how the shine is coming back. The shine from the cat's eye, is coming back. That's the power of top coat, okay? Top coat is to seal your design and to, pop out the beauty very well. As you can see, we're applying our top coat, and that is all we did for today's tutorial. Yes guys, so if you watch this video up to this extent, which you actually enjoyed this video, okay, so please give me a thumbs up, okay? We'll drop new videos every week, twice every week, every Mondays and every Friday. So make sure to subscribe and then turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever we upload a new video, okay? For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Without you guys, there's no Vanessa Beauty World, there's no Vanessa Fina on this YouTube space. And guys, subscription is actually the only way you can support me and tell me keep going, guys, okay? Subscription is actually free, it does not cost you anything, rather is by you encouraging me, okay? All right guys, look at how beautiful this design came out. Okay, what do you think about today's tutorial? Let's communicate in the comment section, okay? And until next time, we'll see in our next video. And yes guys, this nails is actually up for sale, okay? Like I said, I've launched my press-on nail brand, so you can check me out on TikTok and on Instagram, okay? Especially Instagram to place your order here in Nigeria, okay? All details is on my Instagram channel. You can also reach me out on WhatsApp, okay? All right guys, see you in our next video. Bye bye.